What's the meaning of bedding? Bedding. Bedding.
Bedding. Bedding. Bedding refers to the materials that are used to cover a bed for sleeping or resting purposes. It typically includes items such as sheets, blankets, duvets, and pillows. The purpose of bedding is to create a comfortable and hygienic sleeping environment that promotes rest and relaxation. Different types of bedding can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton, linen, silk, and synthetic fabrics. The quality and style of bedding can greatly affect the overall look and feel of a bedroom, and many people choose to invest in high-quality bedding to ensure a good night's sleep. Proper care and maintenance of bedding is also important to prolong its lifespan and keep it germ-free.